Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help boost your business and get more customers. I work with businesses all around the Florida area to help promote their business through numerous digital marketing strategies. And I've learned that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they can do themselves to improve their business has led some of those business owners to put their faith in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back. Or if you simply want to take this free plan and implement it yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over the 3 things that can help you get above your competition. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. So as we can see, I ran your website URL here in something I use called SEO Quake. And we can see that you have just over almost 1,200 words, just under 1,200 words. Now, these words are important because it shows the amount of content you have on your page. Minimum of 1,500 words on the home page. So when their algorithms crawl the pages when somebody searches for something, that's something that they look for. Now, content quantity is not the, end-all be-all when it comes to SEO and promoting your business in the organic listings, but it is an area that they look at and is something that you can easily do to help boost your business. So right out of the gate, just adding some words would be what I would focus on. Just something you could do, and it's super simple. Now, I wanted to see what your competition is doing and kind of show you as well. So I just typed in fencing company Sarasota, which is where you guys are. Well, you're in multiple areas, but we just focus on Sarasota. And H&Y Fence was your number 1 competitor. Now, looking through their website, we can see that they have a pretty good looking site, similar to yours, and they don't actually have as much content. As we look here, they only have 780 words. So right out of the gate, although content quantity isn't the number 1 thing, it is something that you could be beating your competition at. The second thing goes hand in hand with the quantity of content, and it's the quality in these keywords. So as you can see, they have fence, Sarasota, Florida, fences, and company as some of their top keywords. 37, 25, you can see how many times they used it. Now, keywords are simply when someone types into Google. Let's say I typed in fence company Sarasota, Google scrubs and tries to find those keywords. Now, as you can see that they had fence, Sarasota, and company as in their top keywords. So let's look what you had. You had fence 59 times, fences 14 times, Florida, but you don't have Sarasota or company. So as you can see, they were pulled to the top, not only because of these keywords, but it is one of the reasons that they were pulled to the top. Now, the third thing I'm going to cover is backlinks. And this is really the most important thing. So as we can see here, we put your fence dynamics. I ran it in Ahrefs. We put in Ahrefs, and we can see that you have a DR of 2.5. Now, the domain rating is really what Google looks at the most. And we can see that you have a pretty large backlink profile with over 1,000 backlinks. So you might be saying, why is my DR so low? Well, what this tells me is that a good number of your backlinks are one of 2 things. 1, they're no-follow backlinks, which we can say over half of them are. Or 2, they're from spammy sites that were just quick websites that someone threw the backlink on. Now, a backlink is simply just a link to your URL from a different URL. So for example, if I have a business called bestfencesinamerica.com, and on my website somewhere I have your URL, so fencedynamics.com, that's a backlink. And do follow backlinks, send power to your website. So with your power level being so low and the trustworthy level being so low, it's telling me that a lot of these backlinks are spammy and no follow backlinks. Now, the same competitor I ran in Ahrefs has a huge backlink profile, almost 35,000 backlinks, which is a lot. And we can see that their DR is 28. And 28 is a very strong DR. It goes all the way to 100, but most I see are between 17 and 35 at the top. So as you can see, they have not only a lot of backlinks, but a lot of quality backlinks. As you can see, their do follow backlinks are 34,000. So ultimately, getting high quality backlinks really does pay. And as you can see, they're driving in almost 1,000 clicks a month on their website. So in closing, we went over 3 things. Content, having 1,500 words minimum on that homepage. We went over keywords and how having good keywords that you want to be found for is pivotal to be pulled up on the front page of Google. Third, we discuss the importance of backlink and how not only will driving the backlink number up, but you want to make sure that the quality backlinks are what are being targeted. Now, if you implement these strategies that we talked about today, you could easily get to the first page of Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this information I provided you with today and you can go do this all on your own. And I'm totally okay with that. However, if you want a more effective route and you want to see what other digital marketing strategies I have up my sleeve, then you can go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.